Hi, I'm reviewing the AURATHEA desktop fan, and this has a little kickstand, and of course you can even hang it from the kickstand, so it moves all the way however you want to do it. So you can hang this up in a convenient place and get cooled off. It has 4 different settings on the fan, and so let's see if I can get that going here. There we go. There's 2, 3, and 4. And so you can see it runs really quietly. It's also got a light, and the light has 3 different brightnesses, which is also nice. And right over here you can set a timer if you want it to go for 2 hours, if you want it to go for 4, 6 hours, and 8 hours, and it'll shut off automatically. And that's your percentage of battery left right there, and it shows you when you need to charge it up. This is very lightweight, easy to use. It's a slim, low profile design. It's very affordable. I'm super duper happy with mine. I hope that this review helps you.